It's another day to flip this account, and remember we started from 35 to 1251 trading with automated bots and also doing copy trading. As I said, it is copy trading and also using automated bots. So the automated bots are free in Runquilly. So make sure you go to your browser, you search runquilly.com, register and verify your account. This is how your account should look like. And I will be doing a trade, copy trading, and also make a withdrawal, a live withdrawal just here of around 500 USDTs. So I'll go to my trading bots, automated trading bots, then I'll check the best bot for me that will guide you on how 45 minutes. Let's do this one. It's a weekend. We don't go hard, we go soft, but as from tomorrow we go hard so that we catch up with the week. On the weekend we just relax. So we'll do 100 my guys, or let's do 200. We said we are past that. We do 200, and the expected profit of this bot is 1189, and our maximum loss is 397.92. So we are doing a trade on this automated bot, and also we will make some withdrawals. So let's set our take profit of 1000 and stop loss of let's set 150% and a profit of 1000%. Then I'll start my bot. Copy trading is on. I'll turn it on and share the code with you guys, and we make a live withdrawal. The first trade has gone, and we've made 4.646 in just some few seconds. Just some few seconds. That's how trading works. Another one, 9. Let's get at least 3. Then we go to copy trading. So that we don't prolong the video, you can see the P&L is 14. So you can also check the chart. It is an uptrend, and the start entry point was 608, and now we are at entry point of this one. This pay is 148 and we are at 168. That one tells you you are running on a profit, or else you can check on the P&L. So because it is 45 minutes, let me show you. There is a countdown here. You just refresh and check. You can also manual trade on yourself. We are at 225 and we started with 243 minutes remaining. So that means I should paste the code. So we go to copy trading now. That was trading, and there are so many people which you can copy trade. If you have money, you pay them, and mine is free. So just click on share code and also guide you on how to copy trade. So after you've seen this video, just use this code. Come on enter code. You'll enter your code, set the same take profit or stop loss I've set, and send the request. I'll approve. So let's go and share it on Telegram and also on WhatsApp and see how people will react to it. So guys, I've shared on Telegram, and you can see the live views just here. People are viewing it right now. 44 so far. You check it here. 44, 55, 56. So we go and approve. I had already started approving, so I'll just try to approve 100 plus, like this one, 44. So if you have less than 100, I'm sorry, I won't approve. So let me approve at least 10. Then we make a live withdrawal just here, 107. From Ghana, 13. I just mentioned from UK, 12,000. From where again? From UK, $143, 143. So remember, if you are like in States and you can't use USDT, make sure you fund your account using BTC. Then you come and convert it here to USDT on Runquilly. So I'll go to my withdrawal. I'll click on withdrawal, then click on USDT. You can withdraw any coin. So let me go to my Binance and copy the address. So copying the address on Binance is very easy. You just come to your assets, then you click on add funds, then you click deposit crypto, then you click on any wallet that we want to withdraw. Then we'll use TRC20, very stable. Then we go back. You've seen the balance, so we'll come and confirm later after the withdrawal has been approved. Obviously it takes around 2 to 15 minutes. Doesn't take longer than that. So you come and enter your amount, 542. 2 is for transaction. Then you review and confirm. So we wait our funds. Let's check the progress of our trade first. Trading bots. You can see we are at 331 and the entry was at Actually we've made double 406. We can check the logs here very fast. 38 minutes to go. The logs, full logs, you can check them there. It doesn't show full logs, but the recent ones. That's why you see it is somewhere like that. So we go back and check the copy trading. I approve some as we wait for the withdrawal to arrive. So let me go to copy trading and check. 21 so far approved. 139, 136. Let me wait for the withdrawal. I'll come and approve some. So guys, I'm trying to approve some. of the requests. In Kenya 99, Aaron, I won't approve that. 120, Maria. Okay, let's go. I've seen the notification that my withdrawal has been approved. That was the best I wanted to record today. Transaction history. And you can see approved 542. Let's go and check to Binance. I'll come and approve some of the requests. Let's go. You can see on Binance now we have 1751. We'll get to 2000 and above today, then sell it all and enjoy the weekend. Then tomorrow on Monday we start afresh from 00 and grow the account again to 2000 in a week. So if you can make 2000 in a week, $2,000 in profit with a capital of, let's say, 500, 100 or 1000 or 2000, the higher the capital, the more the profit. So make sure you join me and we grow this account together.